November 2003, paper 2 combination. This problem will cover a derivative equation of a tangent, increasing and decreasing function, as well as area under the curve or area between the line and the curve. Let's start with the first part. Maximum mark 14. Consider the function f of x is equal to 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. Find f dash x. So f of x is 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. So derivative of 1 is a constant is 0. And derivative of e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x times the derivative of minus 2x. Derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. Because x derivative is 1, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into e raised to minus 2x is minus 2 times e raised to minus 2x. Explain briefly how this shows that f of x is a decreasing function. For all values of x, that is f of x is always decreases in value of x increases. You can show by graph, but simple logic is that for any value of x, e raised to minus 2x is always greater than 0 because exponential function. But when you multiply this positive value by negative 2, it always becomes a negative because positive into negative is negative and any negative number is less than 0. Negative number is less than 0, but this is what your f dash x, so that means f dash x is less than 0. Single derivative is less than 0, so it is a decreasing function. Let P be the point on the graph of f where x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Find an expression in terms of E, the y coordinate of P. When x, for P, when x is minus 1 by 2, your function is y is equal to 1 plus e raised to minus 2 into x. That becomes 1 plus e raised to minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 times minus 1 by 2 is e raised to 1. 1 plus e I am keeping as it is, so that is my y value. Now they say find the gradient of the tangent to the curve at P. Gradient of the curve is minus 2 times e raised to minus 2x. So I'm using the same value. Minus 2 into e raised to minus 2 and x value is minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 is 1. E raised to 1 into minus 2 is minus 2e. So gradient of the curve at P is minus 2e. C part. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at P, giving your answer in the form of y is equal to ax plus b. We know P x value minus 1 by 2. We found out y value 1 plus e. We found out at P the gradient is minus 2e. So I know x value x1. I know y value that is y1. I know gradient that is m. So I use the equation of a tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. My x1 minus 1 by 2, my y1 1 plus e, my m minus 2e. Substitute in this equation, you got this format. So y as it is, minus 2 times x is minus 2ex. Negative of negative is plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 2e is minus 2e upon 2. And this minus of 1 plus e goes on the other side, becomes plus of 1 plus e. Y as it is minus 2ex as it is, 2 and 2 get cancelled, so minus e plus 1 plus e minus e plus e get cancelled. So y is equal to minus 2ex plus 1. That is the equation of a tangent. Sketch the curve f for minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. You have to use only this domain. Go in a graph, type this function y is equal to f of x, which is 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. You will see the graph like this. This is what your minus 1 and this is what your 2. You will see the graph exactly like this. Second part, draw the tangent at x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is say minus 1, so minus 1 by 2 is somewhere, so I am drawing a tangent, that is this diagram. Shade the area enclosed by the curve and the tangent and the y-axis. You can see this is my curve, this is my tangent, and this is my y-axis. So this is the area I want to shade. You can see clearly. So these three questions basically cover related to sketch. Now they say find the area. You have to see properly. Now this is the label diagram. This is your -1, this is 2, this is your tangent, this is your curve at P, this is what the shaded area. Now shaded area is lying between the curve and the tangent as well as the y-axis. When you use a definite integration, you have to take a perpendicular values. So I know my lower limit is px value, that is -1/2, and upper limit, that is 0. So I'm starting with lower limit -1/2, upper limit is 0, and I'm taking the curve equation, so I'll get this apart. But I don't want that. I need to subtract. What I need to subtract? Area below this part. That is area below the tangent. It is not a triangle, it is below the tangent, looks like a trapezium. So I'm not finding an area of trapezium because we have a facility to find out the area, and we know that it's first curve and then line and in between that. So above is a curve, so I'm taking a lower limit -1/2, upper limit is 0, that is this and this, of 1 plus e raised to -2x is this. I'm writing in a bracket minus with the same lower limit and upper limit. Why minus? Because I'm subtracting the area below the tangent. So minus and area below the tangent, that means area of tangent is -2ex plus 1. So I'm writing minus of -2ex plus 1. So area as it is -1/2 and 0. 1 as it is plus e raised to -2x, minus of minus becomes plus 2ex, and this becomes -1. -1 plus 1 get cancelled, so you are left with e raised to -2x plus 2e raised to 2ex. You can directly type this with lower limit -1/2, upper limit is 0, still you will get the answer, but I am just simplifying this. You can skip this step. So when you type this or when you type this, you will get the answer 0.1795 ... or whatever the answer you see on a calculator, and then you finally round off to 3 significant figures, becomes 0.1795. Now becomes added 1, so it becomes 10, added 1 becomes 8, so 0.180 is your final answer. Thank you.